Hello and welcome to Pliersman. Today I'm not reviewing pliers, but a pliers alternative. That's right, I've got the Haisstronica heat gun and solder seal butt splice connector kit. Let's test it out and see if it's a worthy substitute for regular crimping pliers. Inside the kit, you'll find a compact heat gun and a box of solder seal connectors in different sizes, plus matching heat shrink tubings. There's enough here to get you through a couple of wiring projects without running out. Another plus is that the heat gun works with both 110 and 220 volt outlets, making it useful for even those outside the US. But one point of caution: when running the heat gun on the 220 volt, I notice it gets much hotter and is noticeably louder. So be careful not to overheat and damage the wire insulation or connector. For me, the sweet spot for running the heat gun was 110 volt in the second speed setting. If you have 220 volt at the outlet, I would suggest you run it in the first speed setting. As for the solder seals, I think they do the job well. The solder melts into the wire strands, and the glue at both ends create a watertight seal that keeps out moisture and dirt. I think these are ideal for marine applications. At this point, you might be asking how this kit works with different wire sizes. From my experience, it does an excellent job with small wires. But for larger gauge wires or high current applications, I feel like the solder in the butt splice connectors is quite not enough to rely on as the only connection. The included heat shrink tubings also perform nicely, tightening down for a clean, durable seal. Thank you very much for watching. If you found this video useful, please like and share it. Also subscribe to Pliersman if you haven't for more videos on pliers, some of which you probably don't know exist. Bye bye.